This video quickly walks you through on how to bookmark a website in Firefox web browser. The first step is to open your Firefox browser and be on the website you want to bookmark or the web page. Just as you can see here, this is the website I want to bookmark, okay? After that, click on this star icon. That is the bookmark icon, all right? On clicking that, you will see the name of the website, so you can change it. So here, let me just call it Jumia, okay? After typing the name, you will see the location where it will be saved, which is bookmarks toolbar. All right, if you want something different, click here and you see some other options. All right, then after that, click on save button, and this is bookmarked. So when I open a new tab, let's say I come back to this browser tomorrow, I don't need to start typing that particular website again. All right, I can click it here, or I can go to this side and click on this bookmark, open bookmarks option. All right, then you will see the website here. Just click on it and it will open. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, and see you some other time.